Now your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
Well, we did make it into the 60s today, or right at 60 actually, and we're supposed to be in the 60s, but we're supposed to be a lot higher up into the 60s. So it was below normal. That has meant a rather cool, or I guess more than that, crisp, chilly evening out there. And we're looking at good visibilities once again. We've had some fog issues over the last few weeks. A little bit less of that lately, and I don't expect a whole lot of problem tonight. Right now, there's clear skies. That is all we're looking at. And you can see temperature by morning around 45 officially. A lot of us will be in the lower 40s. And then when you get really inland, you're going to be talking, or very rural, it'll actually be into the upper 30s. Sunrise is tomorrow morning at 6:09. Right now we're at 49, the dew point at 40, so we're starting to sort of narrow that gap, hence the humidity starting to come up, but again, not anywhere near the kind of levels we would need to see the fog. Some inland spots maybe a little bit, but with that southwest wind, that also kicks things up a little bit, or sort of mixes the atmosphere, doesn't let the cold air settle. So again, probably not going to deal with a whole lot of issues. Temperatures right now still lower 50s in Newport News. Same thing at Wallops Island. You can see a lot of spots into the 40s. Chesapeake there was showing 43, 44 in Conway. So even Virginia Beach, although that's inland, that's not right at the beach. That's at Oceana. A lot of grassy area and open land around Oceana. So they tend to cool off a little bit more quickly than it does right near the ocean front, or town center for that matter. You can see definitely a chill in the air, and down even more right now than it was yesterday that we were looking at. Temperatures right now, again, falling from the highs earlier, which reached 60 in Norfolk, 58, Newport News, 58, a lot of 58s and 59s across the region. So everybody in a pretty tight little range there. Tonight, we drop down 40s again for the coastline, a little cooler inland tomorrow. I think this is a little underdone. I'm going 67 for the high tomorrow with a lot of sunshine, and then into tomorrow evening, we'll call it mainly clear to partly cloudy, and a temperature that's not too bad, down near 50 by Wednesday afternoon, back up again near 70 degrees. So temperatures gradually starting to climb. 67 then tomorrow. For your Halloween trick-or-treating, it should start out generally around 60 and then drop into and through the mid-50s as we go a little bit later on into the evening. Then 70, as we said, Wednesday. Thursday, slight chance of a shower. Same thing Friday, actually, as we climb back through the mid-70s and head even up toward 80 in a couple of spots. Don't forget Saturday night.
Yep.
Clocks go back, get an extra half hour, an hour of sleep.
Thanks, Jeff.